Hi my math lover friends! Today we are going to learn math symbols. Plus represents addition of two values. Minus represents subtraction of one value from another. Multiplication sign indicates multiplication between two numbers. Division sign indicates division of one number by another. Equals shows equality between two expressions. Not equal to indicates that two expressions are not equal. Less than indicates that the left value is smaller than the right one. Greater than indicates that the left value is larger than the right one. Less than or equal to indicates the left value is smaller or equal to the right one. Greater than or equal to indicates the left value is larger or equal to the right one. Summation represents the sum of a series of terms. Product represents the product of a series of terms. Square root indicates the square root of a number. Cube root indicates the cube root of a number. Infinity represents an unbounded quantity that is larger than any number. Element of shows that an element belongs to a set. Not an element of shows that an element does not belong to a set. Union represents the union of two sets, all elements in both sets. Intersection represents the intersection of two sets or common elements. Empty set represents a set with no elements. For all indicates that a statement applies to all elements in a set. There exists indicates that there is at least one element for which the statement is true. Contour integral represents an integer over a closed curve. Subset indicates that one set is a subset of another. Superset indicates that one set is a superset of another. Logical and represents the logical conjunction and of two statements. Logical or represents the logical disconjunction or of two statements. Negation represents the negation or not of the statement. Implies represents logical implication if then relationship. If and only if represents logical equivalence, both sides are either true or false. Partial derivative represents the derivative to a function of respect to one variable. Nabla represents the gradient or derivative operator in multivariable calculus. Parallel indicates that two lines are parallel. Perpendicular. Perpendicular indicates that two lines are perpendicular to each other. Thank you. Please subscribe. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.